This is an Uno clone, Chinese, with a hideous quick and dirty bodge. As you can see, it's running, I think it's a slightly modified version of the Knight Rider program, which you can find online somewhere. But what I've done is got this straight out the post and just wanted to try it out. So wrapped a load of wire around one side, bent the pins on the other side so they'll fit into pins 2 to 11, I think 2 to 11. Is that right? Yeah. And stuck a resistor on. Can't remember the value, but resistor won't last long if you switch on too many LEDs all at once, but it's fine for this quick test, this application. I'm using my Android phone to program the Arduino with some kind of adapter that I found somewhere in the cupboard. And that's it. I think this one's got HDMI out as well, but it seems to work fine. And that's it. So yeah, there you go.